Hey, welcome to the wood shop. So today I want to talk about the most used tool in my workshop. It is the wood clamp. I use them anytime you need to join two pieces of wood together with glue. You have to have some type of clamping pressure, and that's what these are used for. So I'm going to show you the 3 or 4 types I have, and then we'll go to what I really want to focus in today that most people, most homeowners will even use, and that's the quick clamps. So first off, this is the parallel clamp. This happens to be a Rockler. I've got 3 or 4 different makers of this. This is a Rockler. This is, that comes all the way to, you can get them 6 feet long if you want to. Very heavy duty. This is what I use when I'm gluing up tabletops together. You put a lot of pressure on this, and this bottom slides, and you can use this to add the pressure that you need. You can't even add too much pressure with these. Okay, second on the list is the universal bar clamp. This one happens to be made in Dubuque, Iowa. It is the Dubuque clamp. This is one of my favorite clamps in the shop because it's so easy to use. You can see you got this little lever here. You just push it up and down, and then you add your pressure with this screw. This is a great clamp. Next on the list is the small bar clamp. This is a Symbol, sold by Woodpeckers. It's a little bit smaller than the regular parallel clamps, but this one operates in the same way. You can pull it, you lift up on the handle, you can pull it up or down from there, and then you can start adding your pressure. This one's for light duty. If I've got small, cutting boards, things like that don't take a lot of pressure, that aren't too long, I'll always grab this one first. Okay, next on the list are these quick clamps. There's different types. I'll talk about each type and which one I like better. We'll go through some of the specs on these, and like I said, every homeowner should have at least one type of these for a third hand, clamping 2 pieces of wood together for gluing, whatever you might need. These come in very handy. So let's get into it. Okay, the first type is going to be the trigger clamp. This one, you've got a button here. This is your release. This lets it slide up and down. When you get it tight to your whatever you want to clamp, you let go. This is your trigger. This is what applies the pressure. So now that's on there. When you want to release it, you click this and you can come back out. This is the DeWalt. This is the 12-inch clamp. The DeWalt has 200 pounds of clamping pressure. You can get a 2-pack of these for $24.99. It's got the bar here, which means a lot because the bar can flex and you'll lose your clamping pressure when that flexes. This is a 3/16 by 1/2 inch. Now I say 3/16, it's 3/16 to its thickest part of the bar. But I don't know if you can see here, but this bar's got like an I-beam construction on it. So it's actually thinner in the middle. Next on the list is the Irwin Quick Grip. Same thing, same operation. You use this trigger, pull it up, and as you can tell, let me show you this top here. See, it's got a little bit of flex in it. So that makes sure it clamps perfectly parallel to whatever you're clamping, and you use this to add the pressure, just like the DeWalt. Now this one is the Irwin. It is clamping force of 140 pounds. You can get 2 of the 12-inch and 2 of the 6-inch for $40. So basically $10 a piece. This bar here is a true 3/16 by 12-inch. And like I said, it holds 140 pounds. So that's the main type of quick grips. These are your lower quality grips or lower quality clamps, and I don't use them very often. I use them when I have very light duty use, if I don't need much pressure, and if it's a small project you're working on, I'll grab these. Next on the list is the F-style clamp. You can tell why they call it F-style by the way it's built. This one, use this feature here, this little bar here, makes it, you can slide it up and down. As soon as you click it, it's got little ridges on the back, and these little plates click into these ridges and it will not move. So if I want to clamp this, I'll go to here, and then on this one you just tighten up on this bar. Now this Jorgensen has got a 300-pound clamping force rating. 1/12 inch is $10.50. The bar is 3/16 by 5/8. A little bit thicker bar, a little bit better made steel. You can tell compared to this Irwin, this steel. These are a lot higher quality, and you get a lot more pressure with these type of F clamps. You want to get through, you just loosen it, and you can pull it wherever you want. Okay, next on the list is another F clamp. This is actually the Hart, sold at Walmart. I was kind of shocked at this one. I didn't expect it to be as good as it is. This one is a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bar, very solid bar. 1/12 inch clamp costs $14.77. It's got 600 pounds of clamping force. I don't know if I believe that or not, but I know it's at least 300. I can tell you it's going to be higher than probably that Jorgensen, just because of the bar steel. Same way this works, just like the Jorgensen. Clamp it in. Now the only thing about it, this Jorgensen has got nice rubber overmold here that you can really grip. This one is just a polished wood handle, so you don't get the gripping pressure you need just by using on this. But it's a well-made clamp. This one's got, this top is solid on these F clamps. I really like that Hart for the price. Okay, next on the list is my favorite. It's the Symbol Quick Twist bar clamp. This one, the bar is 7/32 thick by 3/4 inches. It's got 330 pounds of clamping force. You can get two 12-inch clamps for $29.99. These are sold at Woodpeckers. You can go woodpeck.com. This is my favorite, absolute favorite. As you can see, you just turn it to the left to loosen it. You just push it up just like this. And then you can tighten up to 330 pounds. Now you can see how thick this handle is versus the Jorgensen here. A lot thicker. You can really get a lot of pressure on it. You shouldn't use that much pressure if you're just clamping wood. This far exceeds whatever pressure you need. To release it, you just turn it back to the left, and then it's movable like that. Now this happens to be the 6-inch. The 6-inch sells for $24.99. Like I said, the 12-inch is $29.99. These are my favorite clamps in the shop. Very quick to adjust. You've got a lot of purchase here with your hand with this thick handle. It's all got good rubber overmold. Very quick to adjust. Like I said, you see that. And at 330 pounds pressure, that's all you need. I would say if you're doing any type of woodworking, I would definitely check out these Symbol clamps from Woodpeckers. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next week.